Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download the Chrome extension for visa booking. First go to the website. Here in the extension setting page, you can configure your extension according to your need. The first option is for the biometric and the second option is for the interview. Both the options are selected by default. What does this option does is it will recursively select and check for the particular date in all the consulates. And also you can autofill your credentials by entering the credentials here. Keep in mind that the date ranges for the booking is for the biometric slots. Whatever dates you select here, it will check for those dates for the biometric, and the interview slot should be prior to the biometric 14 days before. Now what the bot does is it will check for all the consulates for the particular dates which you have selected in the setting page for the biometric, and if it is available it will randomly pick the slot and redirect you to the interview page and try to book your slot. If you don't want to check for all the consulates, you can exclude those consulates by clicking on it. In this case, now bot only check for the Delhi consulate and ignores all other consulates. Now you can see the working example of the extension. Please watch the video till end. You'll understand how it works.